You guys, when I was showering, I had this important download that I want to share with you because I was feeling that lack kind of in my body, the sensations of lack around money and resources. And when I was standing in front of the mirror, universe was like, I speak the language of the abundance and prosperity. A tree will not have one leaf. It will not give you one fruit. It has many leaves, many fruits. A grass, there will be many grass, not only one grass. But the reason we got disconnected from that prosperity, that well of abundance, was how our environment was when we were growing up. So it's time to reconnect back to the well of abundance that universe is. How do we do that? By affirmations, by standing in front of the mirror and reminding us like, hey, you know what, universe is abundant. Universe, like standing in front of the mirror and reminding yourself like, yes, maybe I have never felt that abundance and all of that because of the environment that I grew up in. All women and children and men of my lineages suffered from poverty and they were very always afraid around money. So I am trained to feel that, but I can retrain myself. I can connect myself back to abundance, the abundance of the universe. And like, looking yourself in the eye when you're looking at yourself in the mirror and telling yourself that universe always have a way, universe always creates a way. You will find, when you go out in nature, there will be tree growing from a stone, from the corner of the wall where there are bricks, and there would be no way, because nature knows the way how to flourish. So I know universe is going to create most beautiful way for me. It has already created and it will lead me there. One of the ways to align yourself for more money, more prosperity, more resources, more solutions and creative ideas and all of that is reprogramming our nervous system. And the one way of it is to stand in front of the mirror and speak to yourself. Okay, and initially it is gonna be like, oh my god, I don't believe that and all of that, but you still have to, like, even though I don't know how, I know there is a way, because I cannot know. As a human, I am limited, but God is unlimited. So God is gonna do it for me. You have to tell yourself, find a way to literally brainwash yourself, because we are very creative in our fears. To fear ourselves, to keep ourselves in worry. We will think of creative scenarios of worst cases and all of that gives us fear. So you have to give yourself creative ways of brainwashing yourself into abundance, into solution, into like that ease, because they